All TV is
Because
brand
I
new.
know if I watch something like that, I will become stupider. Just facts.
My husband hates that I do it.
I make fun of my wife for watching reality shows and Oprah and things, and Dr. Oz.
Yeah, I can't watch that.
I don't know who said the quote, but someone said, small minds talk about things, or people, average minds talk about things, great minds talk about ideas. And so I brought that up to her a while ago, and then her TV shows, I'm like, all your shows talk about is people. I'm not saying anything. Can't argue with the person who made
Not
the
saying
quote.
anything, huh? Okay. AJ's developed quite a knack for 3D drawing.
Are you sure? Because I don't even know what that looks like. I just copy what's on my paper and hope it looks the same.
Well, who put it in the paper?
Anyway,
All right.
a future of myself that was busy doing something else.
Yeah, it's like a sailboat.
So that is one of the hardest things I have with this, putting stuff on the whiteboard. I'm like, I don't know what I was doing. I have no idea what was running through my head when I
Oh,
put this in.
really? Oh my God, that must be an empty feeling, like you're just floating, not standing on solid ground. Oh, I know that feeling too, because sometimes I have it in my own solutions.
Like,
Totally lost touch with the solution.
right now, I'm just writing down what's on the sheet of paper, not
This
understanding
is
what's
somebody
happening.
else's, right?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. I have no idea what I did.
Yeah. Stuart's copying his homework from Stuart. Not doing it himself.
Current steward is cheating off the past steward.
That's what's happening.
I got one.
How do you
I don't
know?
know if it's right, but I
Oh.
did it.
Okay,
What am I doing? I don't know.
well, let's
I'm
take
just
a look.
finding everything I have on my paper.
I don't know what I'm doing, I'm a dog.
Well, it was a week or two ago. I can understand forgetting.
I recognize the formula and I know how I got that, but the rest of the numbers, I don't remember any of it.
Well, today I went back to go do like some of the conferences from WebTyco that I hadn't put videos and stuff on.
I forgot about that again.
it was great.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah, I know.
yay, arc length linearization, yay.
Is this a topic, is this even a topic? we covered?
Tangent line, y plus y plus this, yeah, it's like, yay.
That's why cumulative finals don't make sense. They should not be used.
I have no idea if that's correct yet.
Or maybe that's why
Oh,
they should be.
let me look it up. 14 dot,
14.4, number.
Number 2.
yes, it's correct.
That's fine.
It is correct.
Is that wrong?
I don't know if it's correct for the right reason.
No, he just has a different answer.
That's good. It was supposed to be easy.
Something went wrong.
What did I do
You might be in
wrong?
the wrong chapter or something.
What page is she looking at?
1036.
Number 2. right?
2x plus 2y
Is that
plus
quick
z.
check or real problem?
No, this is a real problem. Equals 6 in the first octave. Express
Well,
the area of the given surface. Or maybe I did it. Maybe I had limits.
maybe look at 10 or something.
I like that.
Maybe I did that.
I see what you did. You just didn't finish the job, that's
I
all.
don't even
Is there
know
more
if this is
to
correct.
it?
Oh, there's a lot more to it.
I don't even know what I did.
No, this much is done.
I
but you
just wrote
don't
down what was
understand.
literally on my paper.
You didn't write
I don't know
down
what that is. I don't know
this.
what
You
that
have to
is.
write down, this is your starting
Someone explain
place,
this to me.
right? So write it down as your starting place, write it down over here.
Yeah, really, how did I
Well,
find
isn't
these
that what I
limits?
put in the brackets?
Yeah, but then you got shortcuts and you smashed
What did I
yourself up.
use?
Oh, okay.
I understand the
So-
part. I don't understand where I got the papers.
You can only go at 5 or 6.
Right.
What number did you get?
Right,
Number 7.
right.
Yeah, you
Right.
can only go
Right.
Okay,
Okay,
One
now substitute
third, yeah.
dA, dx.
one
Yeah.
sort of.
Okay,
Like I know what that means. I
okay. Now,
check
you're
it
gonna go
check
sign.
stuff. Oh, this one's even worse.
So both of them.
God.
Double
Both of
middle.
the integral.
And now square root sign, put in your numbers.
Okay, so
Two-
these numbers,
Two squared, yeah,
two squared plus two squared,
right,
this one,
the x dy.
dx dy,
Now go to next step. That's
which
a three.
is three,
Yeah, we'll write this stuff, integral, double integral,
double integral,
three,
and then three.
I don't know why,
dx
but
dy.
your drawing made me want ice cream.
What?
And then I have to
You haven't
do
even
Which
integrated
drawing?
yet.
the
That
three
one right there.
x.
This one?
Three comes outside, that's easy. But-
Okay.
Ice cream?
No, and it's three xy, no,
Three.
xy.
And then
Neither do I. I just said, I don't know
Okay,
why.
so then I have to go find limits.
Yeah,
Oh.
you
Alright.
have to go find limits. So calculus three problem.
I like just doing that.
I know, yeah, but,
That was the easy
yeah,
part.
you did that a year ago. It felt
don't-
good, didn't it?
I don't know how
It
to
felt
find my
good.
limits. I really don't. So.
Well, that's what this section's all about. I mean, you haven't started the problem yet. Sorry.
What am I writing? That's not necessary.
So, here we have a number three. Stuart finds limits.
Stuart can't remember how he did any of that.
Yeah, I see I have
Stuart
limits here, I
finds
just
correct
understand
limits
how I
too.
got these
Oh,
limits.
is that a y? What is that?
I don't know.
You're doing the y integral first.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. That's what we want to do.
So I'm gonna have to go back and redo problems out of all these
So I know
sections,
this is.
like independently, to remember how to do them.
Okay.
I remember that formula, but I don't remember the rest of it.
Let me square
Finding
this
limits in
thing
two
out.
dimensions is so,
Lynn, you didn't do any in this section, you had none, huh? Just shoplifting, huh?
Oh, it was,
Yeah, uh-huh, yeah, okay.
that's not
Okay.
justification for stealing.
Well, Stuart has a very good number three up there, and AJ is proceeding with some another problem.
I don't remember how I got these numbers.
Well,
You know what I think's really crazy about this? This is only useful when someone's like, you see that crazy object over there? What do you think the formula for that is? Let's figure it out.
these are everyday shapes, they occur, you know, throughout the day.
But who cares what their shape is?
You want reality, look at television.
I just want base times height.
Base times height. Go to a trade school.
Oh, sure, so I need to put this-
Well, this is not a cumulative final, but it sort of feels like cumulative, the way you guys are reaching back in time to stuff you totally forgot about 4 days ago.
This is only in two dimensions. Two dimensions is so much more confusing.
That's neat, that's a great statement, I like that. That's actually true. How about one dimension, that's really scary.
Is that y equals one?
Yeah,
How do I graph the point y equals one? Where do I put it?
ask Monica, she's next. Alright, so what have we got there, number 7? Number 7,
So it's three.
and do we have another right answer?
More likely not.
It's so close.
It probably is.
If you change that 36 to an 18, you've got it.
So it becomes a
It's the only,
-6
it's the only shortcoming.
18.
So there's
Or
just
do
a
you
little
just
2
move the
floating
y
around
one?
someplace. So that's nice work. It is.
It's probably somewhere on my limits.
Yeah, so no, it's in your differentiation. You just dropped it 1/2 when you differentiated somewhere. That's all. Happens all the time. So we got about 4 minutes till the fun's over. And, it's just like it did when I left.
I know,
Lynn
counts.
can do limits, yes.
2y equals 6 minus 2x minus z. Right? Is that what it is? And then you divide by 2. So it becomes 3 minus x minus z. What equals z?
Okay, so what we're gonna do next class is put all unsolved problems, starting with 13.7 through 14.5.
So that would be my y.
So
limit.
come in with all of them ready.
3 and I'm doing x1.
I don't even know what's this.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
I
We have
just
number
skimmed
9,
Stuff that was on my paper and just,
26
Were you
pi
really
over 3.
frustrated on number 9?
Over 2.
no, I just, I don't understand
Check
those
that for
values.
correctness now.
What is this?
Your work has converging at a limit off in the distance.
They're both 0 on the bottom.
It's all going to 1 point.
Yes.
So it's
Seven
dx
and
dy,
nine,
so
yes.
I need to solve for y.
Uh-oh.
So this is 3
Is
minus
that right?
y.
Probably know that. I have a circle around, I have a question mark around it, so it's
That's-
not right.
that's the
It's
board.
not that far off.
Oh, and then you're
Um,
saying that my y has to be.
You've got
a
26
whole number.
Pi over 3, and
0 at the bottom.
what you really want is
So my
16
upper
pi.
limit is-
So it's not that far off.
Actually, I would say it's really far off.
Well, let's check your limits here. Square root of 7 to square root of 15, 0 to 2 pi. No, your limits are correct, so you did the calculus 3 part.
Okay, well.
It's your
as I
calculus
said,
1 part.
I don't know what I was writing on my paper, so I just.
No, no, you did the drawing right, you did the calculus 3 right, so you did what you're supposed to
Instead of
do.
2y, I put 0.
If you can't
So
take the
0.
rooters, don't let me know, I don't wanna know it. But that's just
So then
the only
it's-
thing that could have gone wrong.
Well, you should talk to your calculus instructor about it.
Well, I just
He
want.
already knows.
I wanna know how I
He's-
got those limits. I got those limits, but I don't understand how.
Well,
So it's 2
Um,
minus z over.
I don't think it would be fruitful to convince you because you're the same guy that don't understand once. It's gonna happen again. But no, you did those very well.
Oh, but
I
you
see
got
the
2
drawing, I
minus
see
z.
circles, I see.
Yeah,
numbers.
no, you did it right, and your footprint's correct,
Oh, you do.
so,
Your calculus one teacher lies in bed at night